Welcome to Kelowna Chevrolet. My name is Allie, and in front of me is this certified pre-owned 2015 Silverado 1500. This ice silver four-door crew cab has a powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine and is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. On the front you'll notice daytime running lights and tow hooks. This truck rides on all-terrain BF Goodrich tires, and on the side is durable black body side moldings, rear tinted privacy glass with drip guards, and power side mirrors. From the driver's side view, we can see power controls, trailer brake controls, and on the right of the steering is the cruise control. The odometer on this truck reads 40,863 kilometers. Other technological features includes a 4.2-inch LCD screen with Chevrolet MyLink, navigation, trailer sway control, and a 6-speaker sound system. This vehicle does seat up to 6 and has well-maintained, comfortable plush seats throughout. The rear bench is split folding to maximize storage, and this vehicle is Carproof certified accident-free. Around back is a spray and bed liner complete with side rails, assist steps, a trailer hitch receiver, and a spare tire mounted underneath. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at Kelowna Chevrolet, 250-860-6000.